Hi, it's Talia. I'm here to give a rundown on Acer and Intel's SFI Starter Packs, a new tool designed to empower educators and accelerate student learning. Let's delve into one of the free-to-use Intel Starter Packs provided by Acer, ScreenSense. This science-based module is perfect for students aged 10 to 14 and should take 120 minutes to get through. The students will start by understanding what the real-world impact of prolonged screen time and distance actually means to their health. Then they'll move on to learning how to mitigate these effects to train their brains to have better awareness of their screen habits. After, they'll apply this knowledge by using Python with Google Colab to code solutions for lowering screen usage. Pretty cool. And then after that, on Canva, they'll design an educational poster to promote healthier living habits for their fellow students. And not only does this have more relevance than ever in the next generation's day-to-day lives, it also encourages their critical thinking. They'll explore how different settings affect screen habits and manage personalized solutions for themselves, whether that's by limiting screen time for certain apps or utilizing scheduled reminders. Download this module and the other Acer starter packs completely for free from the Intel Skills for Innovation page using the registration code AcerSFI.